All right, guys, I got these two cars out today, the EAT04 by Eachine and the Habile WL Toys 124-016. So anyways, I'm going to be running them both. Man, I can't believe how much batteries make a difference on these little Z batteries. They're 3S, they're 2200 milliamps. They're 50C, so yeah, they're good little batteries. They've been performing well. So I'm just doinking around on my little track right now. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so that's what I'm doing. All right, guys, I'm going to throw this battery, this 3S battery, in my little Habile. It's not the original motor or ESC, so that's why I'm kind of worried about it. Might burn it up. I have been running it on 3S a little bit, but we'll give it a run and see what happens. This is a beast, man. That would spread the manure. I'm not sure if this is normal or not, but on my little cars, they're not really rated for 3S, but I'm running 3S in them on those small batteries. Something that's kind of weird is when I turn the car on, it only beeps twice instead of 3 times. Doodle, doodle, only 2 times. Kind of weird. All right, let's get running it around, see what it does. Okay. Oops. On the cover gun. Track is really smooth now. And it's super smooth. It's easy to stay on the track. I got to cut some more of that area of grass out over there on that turn because it runs into it kind of. And I found a drain underneath the sod or whatever was originally put in on the yard. So that's good. It's right in the middle of the track, which is kind of funny. I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but I'm pan over to it. See it right there? Alright guys, I'm in my little man cave and I'm just going to show you the cars that I've collected so far. I feel real fortunate that I have what I have even. Let's start off with the Habile, the WL Toys 124-016. It's been a real good little car. I kind of destroyed the motor and ESC when I took it into the water and submerged it, but dog bones bend real super easy on this guy. Dog bones bend real easy on the Sunfires. Now the Sunfires, they're basically the same as a who makes it, a Red Cat Tornado, but these are Exceed RC, so they're they're basically the exact same thing. But I'm upgrading this. This one's ready to run, ready to go. This one's ready to go. I put the Everest 10 motor in this, you know, so it's a brush motor. I put the Arma Granite motor, it's a brush motor in this one. They both had brushless at one time, but I used them for something else. This one I'm going to set up the same with paddles in the rear and stock tires on the front. Okay, this guy doesn't really need much of an explanation. It's my MT10, and it's just a great little car. This is my VR10, and it's a good little car too. Not really good for off-road, for jumps or anything, but it's a good car. This is my EXE amp, kind of an experimental car. Of course, this is my Typhoon. It's got the stock motor and ESC. I've upgraded the suspension a little bit. This is my Everest 10. I've got the 85 amp ESC and motor in this from Arma, or Spectrum. And then Wild Willie, of course. He's a fun little car. And then my Arma Granite. Arma Granite, I don't know, I just really like this guy. It looks really nice the way I have it set up. But yeah, that's it pretty much. Collection of my cars. And then if we come around this way, this is my little workbench. Kind of a mess. This is where I store my batteries and my wine cooler and my radios. That's about it. So